Hi, I am Mike Jackson and I manage the UK business of Omnitec Systems. Thanks for joining me for another one of my product demonstration videos. The reason I've decided to do this one is mainly to talk about how we configure Bluetooth access for guests for our hotel systems. I'm seeing a definite rise at the moment in people making inquiries for Bluetooth operated systems. People seem to be a bit concerned for guests who are constantly being given a card that might have been used by 50 people before them. So they're interested in looking at ways to give people a bit more confidence in what they touch and what they use to get into a hotel bedroom. So Bluetooth doesn't involve any interaction between a receptionist and a guest. They can download their Bluetooth token in advance of staying at a hotel. And then if you think if you've watched my videos, I also did a video previously regarding antibacterial coatings on lever handles. And if you combine Bluetooth access with antibacterial coatings, then you're doing a very good job and going a very long way to making that process of getting in and out of the hotel bedroom as hygienic as possible. And so there are 3 steps to Bluetooth. The first step is to check in the software. And for that we require the email address of the guest, so we can email them the information that they need to download and log into the app. We can also print that information out, but we're thinking of doing things here in that sort of remote world with no contact. So the first step is to do the check-in using an email address. The second step is that the guest receives an email with the details to download the app and also their user ID and password. And then the third step is actually to use the app to open the door. And so what we're going to do now is switch into our software. And then once we've seen what we do in the software and with the app, I'll finally come back here and I'll show you the app opening the doors. And so hopefully that then becomes quite a logical process in how we manage Bluetooth. It's not a dark art. It's very simple. The only thing that we need is for the computer with our software on it to be connected to the internet, so that it's able to email somebody with the details that are required. Okay, on to the next shot. Okay, so this is our software main screen, Smartpass software. And in here we have a couple of options. One which will take you to the check-in area, and another that will take you to the setup and configuration of the software. We're going to assume that the system has been installed and commissioned, and you are now the end user and you want to create Bluetooth access for a guest who is checking in. So to do this in the software, we go to Access Management, we go to Reception, and we click on Check-in. From the drop-down list, we can select the room that the person will check into. So for example, room 107. And then we've got some check-in data here, which shows the time of the check-in, the expiry date of the check-in. So we'll just make this look neat for the email that we're about to see in a moment. We'll set the check-in time to 2 o'clock, and it's going to last for 1 day, and that person will check out at 12 o'clock the following day. Now we've got a lot of information that we can enter down here, but the only thing that we're interested in is an email address, and this will be where we send the email with the login details for the Bluetooth app. So we just need to enter an email address in here, and then up here we click check in. Oh, by the way, also with room 107, we've automatically allocated entry through the main entrance to this as well. So we'll now click check-in. It will ask us if we want to create cards. The answer to this is no, because we're not creating the card. When we click no, some options appear over here. And the one we're interested in is Upkey plus send email. And I'm going to click that now. And in a moment, it will tell me that an email has been sent successfully. acknowledge that and go into my email. And I can see that I've received a new email here, which is my Upkey information from Omnitec BLE demo. That will be the name of the hotel. This will be set as a standard in the settings of the system. And when I open this email, you'll see that we've booked. When we booked, we decided to use our smartphone. We need to download the app from either the iOS store or the Google Play Store. This is the most important information here. This is the user ID that they will type into the Upkey app. And this is the password that they will use to go into the Upkey app. And just down the bottom of the email here, we confirm that they're in room 107. The check-in time starts from 2 o'clock on the 11th of the 5th, and their check-in will expire on the 12th of the 5th. Now we're going to go into the Upkey app and see exactly what happens when we enter this information into the app. Okay, so here we are now with the Upkey app. Now, we download the app from either the iOS or the Play Store. As you can see, it's just a case of downloading it and opening it. And you will see the login screen, which is here. And you're required to enter your booking reference and your password. So your booking reference and password were provided to you in the email that you received from the hotel at the time of booking. And as I mentioned earlier, the information is down near the bottom of the email, the username 5222 and the password 095811. So I can remember 5222, but I will copy the password, go back to Upkey, enter the booking reference 5222, and then I'm going to paste my password into here and sign in. So now we've signed into Upkey, we basically give you a very quick tour of the screen. Up here, we can see a list of locks. If we hit the key button, that shows us that our locks are room 0107 and the hotel entrance. If we click on any of the cogs, it will tell us exactly when we are valid from and to. But we also have that information on the screen displayed above the open door button. So we can also put some extra information in there. Where it says Omnitec BLE demo, that is the name of the hotel. And then next to it, we have a call button, which would call the default number that we've set for the hotel in the software. And there's also a map icon button alongside it, which would show you where you are based on the hotel address that we've entered into the software. So very quickly, all we need to do is go up to the particular door and press the unlock button in the center of the screen. And this isn't going to unlock a door because the doors are not near to me at this moment in time. It tells me that they're out of the Bluetooth range. One of the things that Upkey does is it sorts the locks by the proximity of the phone to them. So the nearer that you are to a lock, the lock will automatically come up onto the screen. As you can see, if I was stood next to room 0107, then I would be able to press the unlock button and the door would unlock. Or alternatively, if I was nearer to the main entrance, then the main entrance would be displayed on the screen to let us through the door. What we'll do now is we'll cut back to a real-time movie and I will show you this app opening those doors. Okay, so now here we are back in the real world and we're going to bring together everything that you've just seen and we're going to open a couple of locks using the app on the mobile phone. So just so you know, there's no smoke and mirrors going on here. I've launched our app again and this is the login screen. And previously in the email we received, we have our username and our password. So 5222 the username. The password is 095811. Let's see if I can remember it. So booking reference is 5222 and the password I've already forgotten, 095811 095811. 5811 and sign in. And now it logs in and it will find the locks. Now I've got 2 locks set up here. This is our entrance, and if you can just pan around there, the other lock is our bedroom door. And if you just come back around this way, please. The way that the app works is it senses which lock it's nearer to based on the Bluetooth strength between the app and the door lock itself. So you can see here that when I'm at this door, it says hotel entrance. And when I come over here and I'm nearer to this door, it's stronger and it says room 107. So coming back over to this door, it'll change to hotel entrance, tap the unlock button, and the door has now unlocked. And then over to our bedroom door, changes to room 107, press unlock, and a few moments later, that door is unlocked. Now, on from here, the app will just continue running in the background on your phone. You don't have to log back into it. If you turn off your phone, you do have to log back into it. If you force close the app, you then have to log back into it again. I hope that makes how we manage Bluetooth a lot clearer. And please get in touch with me if you have any questions regarding anything you've seen today. Once again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to you joining me again soon for another product demonstration video. Thank you.